How do you know how much is too much to spend on repairing a furnace? How would you know? That's a question that I always get asked, and I always struggle with too, because it is personal preference and there's a lot of things involved in making that decision. But imagine this for a second. Service tech comes out, your furnace didn't light up one night, you felt cold, the guy came the next morning, and now it's going to be $300. Probably you'd fix it. Maybe it's $500, maybe $1,000. How do you know where to draw that line? I don't even know on my own furnace what I would do at that point, but it would depend a lot on how old is it. If it's just out of warranty and the parts you still have to pay for, but it's going to be fairly minor, I might go ahead and do that. But if it's already 10 years old or older, then you kind of look at, well, was it a fairly expensive product? Was it name brand? And was it a better grade of a name brand? That might factor into what you do as well. You might say, well, you know, this furnace was expensive, and maybe you were the one that put it in the first place. Maybe it was 10 years ago. Maybe the warranty just expired, but you know it's got a lot of life in it. Or at least the service tech gave you his opinion of how much life it has in it. What you think and what the service tech says, they might not be the same thing. And again, you have to know your service tech, and you have to know the company you're dealing with. Fortunately, the guys that I've always been involved with are very honest. They will, if it's toast, they're going to tell you that. But if it's got some life left and you can get it back up and running, maybe get a few more years out of it, that could be the smart move too. So it's definitely up to you. You have to ask good questions, figure out for yourself what the security is going to mean to you as far as making sure that it's going to be reliable. Like a fellow that I saw earlier today, they go away all winter. They aren't going to take a chance on just fixing something that's already out of warranty and is old. However, maybe you're retired in your home all the time and you can keep an eye on things. And maybe you don't mind a little fix here and there. So, again, that's the way I look at that sort of thing. You have to decide for yourself. But regardless, stay comfortable and please stay tuned.